Hi, I'm Fiona, and I wanted to introduce you to something I'm working on with the mail. As some of you may know, I'm often working on lots of different web projects at once, websites, web projects, apps, all that sort of thing. And I'm always giving feedback to the developers and designers that I'm working with, whether that's about the copy that's on the site, the UI, the UX, the layout, the images, the functionality. But there's a lot of going back and forth, giving feedback, and it's a very messy process. I'm usually taking a lot of different screenshots, drawing all over those screenshots, putting them into messages or a project management tool, sometimes putting them into Google Docs and then putting comments all over that document. It's not neat and tidy, and it's frustrating enough for me, but let alone for the developers and designers that I'm working with. It's really hard to keep track of all that feedback and understand which has been actioned, which is still outstanding, have commentary back and forth on that feedback. So we've come up with an idea and we'd love to run it by you. The idea is called ThisButBetter, and it's a feedback tool for web projects. So Amal's just going to run you through the idea now, and I'd love to hear what you think.
Hello guys, this is Emil. I will try to explain how this tool works on a balsamic wireframe, and looking forward for your comments, reviews, objections, whatever you think about. Please do participate. If you would like to follow up our startup journey, subscribe to our newsletter, and looking forward to talk to you guys on a one-on-one session. See ya. So after sign up and log in, you will see a list of all the websites you have tried to collect feedback on. Each of them gets a unique permalink. And when you add one, for example, I'm adding mylovelyshop.com with a short description, this also gets a permalink which you can share with your friends, with your developer, whomever with whom you want to have a collaboration and take their feedback on. So then let's say this is your lovelyshop.com, but it gets a permalink on our website, which actually adds this extra bar on the top of your website. Let's say this is your shopping cart that you would like to collect some feedback on. With this toolbar, your users or your developers can collaborate with you. You can turn on commenting mode. Indeed, you can do it both for a mobile responsive view and desktop view. Then you can leave a comment right away on any part of your website. These comments can be text chat, voice clips, screenshots right away from here, or browsing and uploading an image from your computer. And you can leave multiple of these messages on any part of your website. This is the beauty of it. We are collecting feedback across your website where you would not need to take another screenshot, which you can in some cases. You will need to attach it to these message bubbles, but the communication will be all bundled together on the top of all these areas of your website. You will get Slack notifications as well. Here, a notification. When you click on any of these notifications, it will jump right away on that area of the website. And you can also export them to your ticketing systems like Jira and Asana and so on. You can add team members so that they're like leaving comments in a more active basis. But you can also share, as I said before, that permalink with anybody. They can leave anonymous comments as well. So you can imagine using this tool and collecting feedback from your users. So this is the tool we are trying to build and looking forward to get your insights.
So what did you think? Is this something you'd use? Have you got any ideas for improving on this concept? Whether you think it's a great idea or a terrible idea, we'd love to hear your feedback. And if you think it's something that you might use in the future, please register so that we can keep you up to date as we develop this project. Thanks for watching.